in the whip on the strip, get the strip in my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the family, this is why I need.
Finally got here. After all this walking, I walked so freaking far. So damn far. Hi. Can I have the double cheese and the Mexican Coke and fries? Yeah. Drink? Take a drink. Still got the Coke. Here's the food. I can't wait to taste this Mexican Coke. I never had one before. I'm gonna walk up because I have like 20 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annie K. So today we're trying the 7th Street Burger. This is the Mexican Coke. Oh, I'm wash it off. I don't know how the bag is just plain. Like I wish they had like a design on it or something, but whatever. So I got a double cheeseburger and some fries and the Mexican Coke. So there's the fries. Let's try it. The fries is really good. Okay. Oh, I am the thumbnail. So I'm at work, so we're gonna hear people in the background. This burger is very greasy though, you can see. Damn. Oh damn. That's what I was talking about. She's like, I didn't pour that side of grease. But I went on TikTok and I was watching this video. Damn. What? No lettuce, no nothing. Oh damn, I think they got onions on here. Oh my god. Mad cheese and onions, no lettuce, no nothing. I don't think I'll eat this again. This is so greasy. Look, I feel sick. Here we go. I'm trying to try the burger, but the onions are lifting it up for me, man. Ugh, I can't do this with the onion, man. I'm gonna take this onion now. Hold on. I can't do it with the onion. Oh god. The burger is big though. It reminds me of. It kind of look like In-N-Out in a way, right? That pickle. I walk a few blocks of this. We are on West 38. The food is so warm. Why? Alright, let's see. Oh, yeah, let's see how this tastes. Oh, okay. I look like this is really greasy. The bread is soft though, but it's more burger than bread. Look at the back. I think smash burger tastes better than this. I'm gonna rate it a 6. I'm putting this on my shirt. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 6. It's not the best burger in New York. I think Smash Burger and Shake Shack is better than this. That's my opinion though. I love these fries. The fries are really good. It's not too salty because, you know, yeah, I don't think they use much salt in these fries. This was $3.50. I think the fry was $4.50 and the burger was $9.50. Well, it's good to try things one time. I'm not eating this again. It's okay. I'm not eating this again. Get some ketchup. Gotta get the onion taste out of my mouth. I'd rather eat ketchup than onion. I really want a Jollibee, but that place is packed. I was gonna try the Aloha burger with the pineapple, but the line was from the front to the door. I was like, oh my god. I was online for a minute and I'm like, I don't know. I just want to take up the whole my lunch time. So I went to go get this instead. I'm saying this. Okay, it's not bad. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with the 6 because there's more meat than bread. So. No type of advertisement on there, nothing. It's just plain white bag. But that's how Smash Burger was. So not Smash Burger. What's his name? In-N-Out. Did In-N-Out have a thing on there? I don't remember. Their logo on there? Yeah, I think they did. But I don't know about the work. So, cheers. Happy Friday. Thank you guys for the support. And if you're watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.